Hi everyone, and welcome to this video about how to add your Office 365 email address to Outlook 2016 on a Mac. And in this video we're using High Sierra as macOS, but the process should be very similar across all the different operating system versions. So the first thing we need to do is have a look at the mailbox we're going to set up and the DNS settings for that domain, because the actual setting up of the mailbox is pretty straightforward, but the potential trip ups are what might catch you out. So if you start by logging into your Fasthosts control panel and going to the email and Office 365 section, and then going to the package that contains the email address you're trying to set up. So that's that one for me. And I'm going to set up this mailbox here, will at fhvideos.co.uk. So if we go to domain names here, we can see we've got domain settings. So if you've got your domain registered with Fasthosts, fhvideos.co.uk is registered with Fasthosts and using the Fasthosts name servers, so all the settings for that will be handled automatically. You wouldn't have to worry about that. If you've got your DNS managed externally, if you click on domain settings, you're going to see all of the DNS settings you need to add to that domain to have this mailbox set up correctly. Now, this is the biggest cause of mailboxes not actually getting set up correctly. So if you're having problems setting it up, this is the first place you should start. So I know all these DNS settings are correct on my domain, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Mac and try and set up the mailbox. And I'm connecting remotely just because I'm recording on a Windows machine here. So this is my Mac now, I'm just connected remotely. So if we start by opening up Outlook here. So now Outlook is open. You can see here I haven't actually set any mailboxes up on this before, so it's completely fresh install. But if we want to add a new mailbox, all we do is go to Tools and go to Accounts. And this will work. If you've already got mailboxes set up, you can add a mailbox the same way as well. And we just go to Add Email Account. And then we're going to go ahead and enter the mailbox we're trying to set up, which was will@fhvideos. So now all we've got to do is click continue, and it's gonna look for a match. Loading, and that was pretty quick actually. Sometimes that can take a few minutes, so that was a nice little surprise. And just enter the mailbox password here, and click sign in. And this might take a second as well, or not. It looks like it's doing something. There we go. Sometimes that can take a few minutes, so don't worry if it didn't happen as fast for you. If it's taking a while to load, that's fine. Okay, so we're done, and that should all be set up now. Now, there are a few settings you can change there, but everything should be done automatically under advanced as well. So we can just go ahead and close that, and our mailbox is now set up and ready to use. If you've been using the mailbox, it's going to just take a while to download any mail and get all this folder synchronized, but once that's loaded, you'll be ready to use your mailbox. And that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye for now.